Forgotten username recovery failed on Property Partner fix. If your attempt to recover your username on Property Partner keeps failing, don't stress. This issue happens more often than you think. The surprising truth is that Property Partner doesn't really use usernames anymore. Instead, everything is tied to your registered email address, which means recovery is easier than it sounds. Here's what to do. Visit the Property Partner login page or open the app. Click Forgot Password or Can't Log In. Then, enter the email address you used when signing up. You'll get a password reset or login link sent directly to that inbox. Open the email, click the link and follow the instructions to regain access. If you don't see the message within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Still no luck? Try another email. Sometimes users sign up with a different address than they remember. Searching for old Property Partner notifications, such as investment updates or transaction confirmations, can also reveal which email you used originally. If you've lost access to your registered email, reach out to Property Partner's customer support. Provide identifying details like your full name, date of birth, or property investment ID. Once they confirm your identity, they'll help you get back in safely. Most people get stuck because they're trying to recover a username that no longer exists. Property Partner uses your email instead. It's a more modern and secure system, reducing the risk of forgotten logins. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed, simply switch your focus. Use your registered email, reset your password, and you'll be back checking your investments and returns in minutes.